Hello everyone, my name is Zach. Namaste. These are my cats, Pearl and Sparkle. Many times when we go out, there's nobody to feed them. So, with the science I learned, I made this that will help them get their own food. So, when they press this, food comes out that will help them eat. Now I'm going to explain the science behind it. Here I need the gravitational force to pull the food down. I cannot keep the food like this because it cannot go down. I cannot keep it like this. But I have to put it like this, so the gravitational force has to pull it down into the plate. I even made the slope. I put the slope because when the food falls down, it has to slide into the plate. But if there was no slope, the food will just go down. I put the food on top, but I need something that will help close the mouth of the bottle because then the gravity will pull the food down. So I made a lever that will help close it when needed. So it's gonna be like this, and I'm gonna be connected it with rubber bands. So it's gonna work like this, and the cat food is gonna come out. So in grade 3, I learned about muscles and tendons. So the rubber bands that I use are acting like tendons. Tendons help the bones and muscles move. So here the rubber bands are acting like tendons and help move the lever up and down. The next question I had was to how much height I should keep it. So I learned that the more higher I keep it, the more farther it goes. So I found the perfect spot to put it so that it falls perfectly into the plate. If I keep it too low, then it will not slide down into the plate. So this was a perfect size. So the more higher I put it, the more potential energy is being converted to kinetic energy and makes it more further. And finally, I want to summarize the science. So I put the food here so the gravity will pull it down, and I used a lever that will stop the food from falling unnecessarily, and I use here a slope to make the food slide into the plate. Otherwise, it will just fall down. And next, I put it right over here, not too high, not too low, because if it was too high, it will go very far. Too low, it will not even come out. So that's why I put it this much. And by the way, I used the science I learned about tendons and use it as a rubber band to help move the lever. So using the science I learned, I made something that will help feed my cats, and they're gonna be so happy.